Exciting announcement. Boinkers new airdrop. Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Boinkers Airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you, a free giveaway. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. Boinkers Airdrop, listing schedule and price prediction, what you need to know. The Boinkers token is generating major buzz across the crypto world, especially in Telegram communities. And it's easy to see why. With a unique distribution model, strong community support, and a confirmed exchange listing coming this December, Boinkers is shaping up to be one of the most talked about token launches of the year. Whether you're a miner, trader, or curious investor, here's everything you need to know about Boinkers' official launch and its projected price points. Boinkers listing schedule. Mark your calendar. Boinkers is officially set to be listed on major exchanges in December 2024. This will mark the first opportunity for the public to trade Boinkers on the open market. With a maximum supply of 10 billion tokens, about 42%, or 2 billion, will be released gradually through mining incentives and various distribution methods. This slow release is designed to maintain supply stability ahead of the public listing. Boinkers price prediction at launch. 3 liquidity scenarios. The listing price of Boinkers will depend heavily on the liquidity injected into the market at the time of launch. Here's a breakdown of possible price ranges based on liquidity levels. Scenario 1. 1 billion tokens in liquidity. Market conditions: high liquidity, stable trading environment, lower volatility. Estimated price: $0, 18, $0, 25. Ideal for investors seeking steady growth and reduced risk. Scenario 2. 500 million tokens in liquidity. Market conditions: moderate liquidity, healthy trading, moderate volatility. Estimated price: $0, 12, $0, 18. Ideal for traders who prefer a balance between risk and reward. Scenario 3. 200 million tokens in liquidity. Market conditions: low liquidity, high volatility, rapid price movements. Estimated price: $0, 0.8, $0, 12. Ideal for high-risk investors aiming for quick gains. Why Boinkers could be the next big thing. So, why is Boinkers attracting so much attention? Community-driven growth. The Telegram buzz is just the start. Boinkers has a fast-growing, engaged community backing its momentum. Innovative distribution model. The mining and airdrop system encourages early participation and rewards users over time. Transparent roadmap. With a clear schedule and real tokenomics, Boinkers is positioning itself as a long-term player. Final thoughts: stay smart, stay ready. While the Boinkers hype is real, always remember that crypto markets are unpredictable. Liquidity levels, market sentiment, and exchange support can all influence the price dramatically. Stay tuned to the Crypto Pearl channel for more updates and tasks related to the upcoming token launch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the Boinkers in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. **